Hi there, in this exact video we are gonna see how to get enrolled in Udemy courses 100% for free. Now if you heard me right, yes, it's correct. You don't need to download any Udemy courses. Now I'm not gonna get to torrent file. You need to download it with torrent. Officially you wanna get enrolled in Udemy courses, and guess what? The course creator are gonna send you a welcome message and treat you as if you have paid and enrolled in this course. Now don't skip any part of this video. I'm going to lay down everything on the table so that you can get step-by-step free courses. Alright, now I'm on Udemy website, and let me share with you. Let's say I need social media marketing courses. Alright, the Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. Now it will show me all the things Facebook, Instagram. As I said, let me go to Instagram marketing. What it's about? It's basically about how to get your 10,000 followers so that you can market to them. As you can see here, it's basically, now this pays in Indian currency. If you get in dollars, it may be $200, and after the discount 96% off, it's $6 to $7. I'm not going to pay that. I'm going to get it for free. And what you will learn: have a powerful Instagram account, blah blah blah, attract 10,000 real target followers to Instagram account. Okay, all that shit. Now here is the thing. Is basically I am going to share with you how to get coupons which you apply will give you 100% off of the course. Now before I share with you the website, make sure you smash that subscribe button with the bells on, because I don't want you to miss these videos like this which will give you free courses, little to more no investment, and help you grow your business online. Alright, so let's hop into the website. It's called discudemy.com. Here is the thing which will get the coupon codes. Now in this website you have English courses, Spanish, Chinese, all the Arabic. Alright, as you can see here, there are this much of coupons, viewed coupons, and they are active right now. It's 8,309. removed coupons are this much. Alright, you can have a look at the stats. Now I'm gonna search for social media marketing. Let's see what courses are there. Social media marketing. Alright, now this will show you all the list of social media marketing out there. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 courses. If you go to Udemy, it will cost you hundreds of dollars. If you come to this method, it will get for free. As you can see, there is an Instagram course here as well. The complete Instagram marketing course for beginners. This is basically a copy which explaining that what you will get in the course. I'll come all the way down and then click on this take course green button. Now this is your coupon link. Alright, 100% off coupon link. Now if you click on this, it will directly send you to Udemy with the coupon code applied automatically. As you can see here, free. Now if you come to here, it will cost you money. If you go to Udemy, Udemy, search for the course and then come to Udemy, you get 100% free off. Now if you are frequently buying courses on Udemy, you're totally gonna get this. Have you ever bought course on Udemy and then the guy goes like this: hello guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to run Facebook ads. Like, shit man, it's very annoying. You have paid hundreds of money and the guy is totally annoying you. By this method you can have as many courses as you want. Alright, go for Udemy, search for what you want, then come to this Udemy, search for that. Now this is very not niche. Okay, I randomly so social media marketing. You can go niche specific by specifying Facebook ads, Instagram. Alright, specify niche and then you get the exact course on this Udemy. Grab that coupon code and then get it for free. Now after that, just click on enroll now, and you have to, if you have not an account on Udemy, then create it. Is 100% for free, and then you can put in your full name, email and password. And if you have an account, let's click on login and put in your password, and boom, this course will be on your dashboard 100% for free. Now if you liked this video, let me know by smashing that like button below. What you need to do, first step is come to Udemy, search for what course you want, and then come to this Udemy and then search for the exact course or related to that courses, and then click on that unique coupon code, and then it will directly come here with your free course. Alright, now always remember, I've given you the tools, everything you need to do. Now don't be just like going one course after and after and after. Alright, if you have picked Instagram, go thoroughly with Instagram and then apply it. Always remember, knowledge is not power, applied knowledge is power. You have access to these hundreds of courses. Don't go mad and go for one after one and after one. Don't do that. If you have Instagram, go through Instagram and then apply it. Get clients who will pay for you for your service and then make much money as you want. Now, don't take it's very like it's very free, it is there, I can get any there. Don't have that mindset. Okay, get the courses, get the knowledge, apply and get money. All right, now just keep going.